Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. Guilt-free flourless chocolate cake in as easy as 1, 2, 3. Yep, 3 ingredients to chocolate decadence. Here's what you'll need. 16 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 8 large eggs, and 1 cup of butter. Place the chocolate chips in a microwave-safe bowl, add the butter, and melt at 40-second intervals until smooth and silky. Next, crack 8 eggs in a separate bowl just to catch any shells, then add them to your mixing bowl and blend until double in size. Pour the melted chocolate into a larger bowl, then add a third of the eggs and gently fold. Add the rest of the eggs and fold to completely combine. For a spring-form pan, line it with foil, securing the foil around the pan. I'm making a 9-inch cake and a mini, and I place both in a baking sheet. Heat the oven to 350 degrees and then add about an inch of water to the pan. Bake for 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes up clean. Then garnish with a dusting of powdered sugar and fresh berries. This cake is luscious, chocolatey, and as easy as it gets. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.